Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily scan QR codes on your Samsung phone. So I have an A16. This is a lower model Samsung phone. I can just go to the picture option right here for the camera. And then all I have to do when I have this opened up, I just have to go over the QR code and the link should open up. So let's open up a QR code right here. And then go to this. So I have a QR code right here. Let's just scan this. And you can see it's already opened up and detecting that because I have a little box that opened up. All I have to do is tap this. And it looks like this is a QR code app. So you can do it just through the camera option. If you see that little barcode looking thing, it should open up a link. If you go down from the top right, there's also an option right here for scan QR code. We can just go to that and it'll bring open an option to just scan it too. So you might have to get a little bit closer. You can zoom in, and it's pretty good at detecting it. You can open up the link, you can copy, you can share it, but very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.